This is all. Not sure what happened, but the bus that passed a while ago is the Glenmore High School bus. And normally when they win a match or something, they're into some competition or something. We do that. We do that here in Jamaica, We celebrate a lot. So I guess it's the Glenmore bus that passed through there. So they're celebrating through the town here of Port Antonio, Jamaica. We are here in Port Antonio, Port Antonio, Jamaica to the Royal, We're looking across the street, Yeah. Alright. Crossing the street. Sure. Yeah, we're here. Town. Checking out the store here. This is one of the major stores here in Port Antonio, Hesse. Hesse's, they sell just about everything here. Just about everything. Here, you can get nice. Looking. Yeah? A lot of stuff, yeah? Port Antonio, Jamaica. And this year, 2nd day of November 2024, we're here, You know, Ceylon. Just looking some stuff here, It's one of our town major store in Port Antonio, Jamaica. Beautiful place to be. If you've never been here, you better try it out, man, My son and I just, going through here. Checking out the town, checking out some of the stores here. Sell it.
We're on the other side, we're on the other side.
Push your people and people just come. People just come. You don't push your people, it's running. Your people are people. Your sister,